Have you ever felt like your mind is a battlefield of unwelcome thoughts, intrusive worries, anxieties, and even disturbing images that play on repeat, cause distress, and disrupt your daily life? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world grapple with intrusive thoughts, feeling like prisoners in their own minds. But amidst this struggle, there exists a beacon of hope, the wisdom of Buddhism. This ancient philosophy offers a powerful framework for understanding and managing intrusive thoughts, leading you towards a path of inner peace and liberation. Number 1. Understanding the nature of the beast, unveiling the mechanisms of intrusive thoughts. Before embarking on our journey of transformation, it's crucial to gain a deeper understanding of the nature of intrusive thoughts. These unwelcome visitors can manifest in various forms, ranging from seemingly insignificant worries about mundane tasks to distressing images or urges that feel completely out of your control. Often, these thoughts seem to have a life of their own, appearing spontaneously and hijacking your attention. It may feel like a different version of yourself is generating these thoughts, a voice whispering negativity and doubt. However, it's essential to remember that they are simply products of the human mind, a complex network of thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Number 2. The Buddha's insight. Decoding the monkey mind metaphor. In the profound teachings of the Buddha, the human mind is often compared to a monkey mind. This apt metaphor captures the incessant movement and jumping from thought to thought, clinging to some and resisting others, much like a mischievous monkey swinging through a jungle, grabbing onto branches, and never staying still. Our minds can be akin to this monkey, flitting from one thought to another without pause, often getting entangled in the process. But the Buddha didn't just describe this phenomenon, he offered a solution. He taught us how to observe our thoughts without getting caught up in them, like a wise observer watching the monkey swing from a safe distance. Number 3. Cultivating awareness, the power of mindfulness. Meditation. Now, let's delve into the practical tools offered by Buddhism to cultivate mindful awareness, the gateway to managing intrusive thoughts. One of the most potent practices in our arsenal is mindfulness meditation. To begin, find a quiet and comfortable space, free from distractions. This can be a dedicated meditation room, a cozy corner in your home, or even a serene spot in nature. Ensure you feel comfortable and supported, whether sitting on a chair or a cushion. Gently close your eyes, or if you prefer, fix your gaze on a neutral point in the room. Now, bring your attention to your breath, the most natural and accessible anchor present in every moment. Feel the rise and fall of your chest as you inhale and exhale. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. When a thought arises, be it intrusive or otherwise, acknowledge it without judgment or criticism. Label it as a thought of worry, a disturbing image, or simply thinking. This simple act of acknowledgement helps to break the hold the thought may have on your attention. Gently, without force, guide your attention back to your breath, the anchor point of your mindfulness practice. This process of noticing, acknowledging, and returning is the essence of mindfulness meditation. Number 4. The art of letting go. Embracing impermanence and letting thoughts pass now. We embark on a deeper exploration of a fundamental principle in Buddhism, the concept of impermanence. This understanding serves as a powerful tool for managing intrusive thoughts. The very essence of life is characterized by constant change. From the seasons transforming on Earth to the ever-evolving landscape of our thoughts and emotions, nothing remains static. Imagine yourself standing on a mountaintop overlooking a vast valley. Observe the clouds drifting across the endless canvas of the sky. Some clouds are large and ominous, while others are small and fluffy. They move and change shape, appearing and disappearing in the blink of an eye. Our thoughts are akin to these clouds. They arise, linger for a while, and eventually pass away. The problem arises when we cling to our thoughts, especially negative ones, as if they were permanent fixtures in our minds. We become entangled in their narrative, fueling our anxiety and suffering. By embracing impermanence, we cultivate the ability to let go of intrusive thoughts as they arise. Instead of clinging to them, we learn to observe them with detachment and allow them to pass away like passing clouds. This doesn't imply suppressing or ignoring the thought, but rather acknowledging its presence and then gently redirecting your attention. Consider a leaf floating down a stream. The current carries it along, but the leaf doesn't resist the flow. Similarly, we can learn to let go of intrusive thoughts by viewing them as leaves floating down the river of our consciousness. We observe them without judgment and allow them to flow away naturally. Number 5, developing compassion, cultivating kindness towards yourself. But simply letting go isn't enough. We also need to cultivate compassion for ourselves. Often, when we experience intrusive thoughts, we engage in self-criticism and blame, further amplifying our distress. The Buddha famously said, "Treat yourself with the same kindness and compassion you would show to a dear friend." This profound message reminds us to extend kindness and understanding towards ourselves, especially when grappling with intrusive thoughts. When you notice an intrusive thought, acknowledge it with gentle awareness. Instead of criticizing yourself for having the thought, simply say to yourself, "This is just a thought," or "It's okay to have this thought." Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend struggling with similar challenges. By acknowledging the universality of intrusive thoughts, we can cultivate self-compassion. Millions of people around the world experience these thoughts, and it's not a reflection of your character or worth. Number 6, integrating mindfulness into daily life. Practical applications for managing intrusive thoughts. Now, let's explore how we can integrate these practices for managing intrusive thoughts into our daily lives. 1. Identifying triggers. Pay attention to situations, emotions, or activities that tend to trigger intrusive thoughts. This awareness can help you anticipate and prepare for these triggers. 2. Mindful breathing in the moment. When you notice a trigger or an intrusive thought arise, take a few slow, deep breaths. Focus on the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your nostrils, anchoring your attention in the present moment and breaking the cycle of rumination. 3. Engaging in absorbing activities. Engage in activities that require your full focus and attention, such as reading, painting, spending time in nature, or practicing a hobby you enjoy. This can help to divert your attention from intrusive thoughts and promote a sense of calm and well-being. 4. Seeking professional help. If intrusive thoughts become overwhelming or significantly interfere with your daily life, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor. They can provide personalized guidance and support, utilizing evidence-based approaches like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, to help you manage your thoughts and emotions effectively. Remember, change is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress no matter how small, and embrace the process of cultivating inner peace and managing intrusive thoughts with the wisdom of Buddhism. We've delved into the depths of understanding and managing intrusive thoughts with the guidance of Buddhist wisdom. Remember, this journey is a process of continuous learning and self-exploration. As you practice and embrace these techniques, you'll gradually develop a deeper sense of awareness, compassion, and inner peace. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up to show your support and share it with others who might benefit from this knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on mindfulness, Buddhist teachings, and creating a life filled with well-being. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Millions of people around the world are finding their path towards inner peace, and we are here to support you on yours. May you find the strength and wisdom to manage your thoughts and cultivate a life filled with greater peace and joy. Thank you for joining us.